Is Sora generating videos that look nothing like what you imagined? You're not alone. The description problem is a common hurdle in AI video creation, so let's break down how to fix it. First, ditch the vagueness instead of broad strokes. Aim for specifics. Instead of a cat in a hat, try a ginger tabby cat wearing a red and white striped top hat, sitting on a park bench on a sunny afternoon, with soft, golden hour lighting. Notice how we've added details about the cat's breed, the hat's appearance, the setting, and even the time of day. Think like a director setting the scene. Next, use positive and negative constraints. Tell Sora what you want, and equally important, what you don't want. Specify styles, textures, or elements to avoid. Don't be afraid to experiment and iterate. Sora learns from your feedback. If the first video isn't right, tweak your prompt and try again. With a little practice, you can master the art of prompting and unlock Sora's true potential. Now go create something amazing, and be sure to share your tips in the comments below.